Hello, and welcome to the exciting world of YouTube automation. If you've ever dreamed of creating captivating YouTube content with minimal effort, you're in the right place. Today, I'll introduce you to a revolutionary approach that combines the power of AI and cutting-edge tools to streamline and automate your video creation process. First, we'll look into what YouTube automation is all about. Imagine having more time to focus on your strategy and growth while your channel continually gets enriched with high-quality content. One of the incredible tools we'll talk about today is ChatGPT for script writing. Next, we'll talk about Pictory AI. Pictory is a state-of-the-art AI tool that auto-generates visual, compelling, and engaging videos with superior AI voiceover. It's about enhancing the quality and appeal of your videos, ensuring that each one captures your audience's attention. But seeing is believing, right? That's why I'll be showing you a live demo of how these tools work together to create YouTube content that stands out. Plus, as a bonus, you'll receive my free ebook on the 3 steps of monetizing automated YouTube channels. And it is packed with insights and strategies to turn your content into a revenue stream. Now, with these 3 steps, as I teach in my course, I started off with my first YouTube automation channel, and I made a few $1,000s in the first week. And after 6 months, I was at $200,000. And I can show you how to do that in the course. So get ready to transform the way you create content and unlock the full potential of your YouTube channel with automation.
Hello, and welcome to the world of YouTube automation, your fast track to content creation. Before we get started, let me give you an auto-generated, faceless overview of YouTube automation so that you can see the difference, because I want to tell you about using artificial intelligence to automate content creation for your faceless YouTube channel. Let's take a look at what I like to call true YouTube automation, smart AI that makes content creation a breeze. Until now, what many considered automation was essentially outsourcing content development to offshore teams for script writing and video production. But today we're talking about a game-changing approach that puts real automation at your fingertips. With the advent of ChatGPT, script writing is no longer a time-consuming task. In minutes, you can have engaging scripts ready to go, tailored specifically to your audience's interests and needs. Next up is Pictory, a groundbreaking tool that transforms these scripts into visually compelling, engaging videos complete with superior AI voiceovers. This isn't just about cutting corners. It's about enhancing the quality of your content while saving invaluable time. In just a moment, you'll see a demonstration of a video that took less than 10 minutes to produce from script to final cut. This demo will showcase the remarkable capabilities of these tools and the kind of high-quality content they can generate. But let's not forget, creating great content is just the first part of YouTube automation. The second crucial phase is monetizing your channel. That's where the YouTube Fast Track course comes in. This course is designed to teach you ingenious strategies to automate marketing and affiliate revenue, turning your channel into a money-making machine. By clicking the link in the description below, you'll not only get access to this free course, but also receive the free ebook detailing the 3 steps of monetizing automated YouTube channels. So this is what true automation looks like. And next, watch a demonstration of the high-quality content you can produce with ChatGPT and Pictory. This is content with valuable information that is compelling and engaging, and that can go viral. Check it out.
Today, you'll learn a lucrative YouTube affiliate marketing strategy known as unboxing videos. I'll start by explaining what unboxing videos are and their effectiveness in generating revenue. Let's first understand the essence of unboxing videos in affiliate marketing. Unboxing videos have emerged as a dynamic and effective affiliate marketing strategy on YouTube, engaging audiences with the anticipation and excitement of new product discoveries. Creators like Estella from Study to Success utilize this format to showcase and explore tech products, providing viewers with a first-hand look at the unboxing experience. What makes these videos particularly compelling for affiliate marketing is the integration of affiliate links in the video descriptions, which facilitates easy purchasing for viewers and drives product sales. The appeal of unboxing videos is not just in the content but also in their significant search popularity, evidenced by over 90,000 monthly searches on YouTube. This high search volume reflects a strong and sustained viewer interest in this content type, offering creators a substantial platform to reach a wide audience. By leveraging this format, Affiliate marketers can effectively showcase products, capture viewer interest, and enhance product visibility. The combination of engaging content and strategic marketing through affiliate links positions unboxing videos as a lucrative and reliable avenue for generating revenue on YouTube. Let's look at an example. Case study. Alex, a tech YouTuber unboxing and reviewing the latest smartphone. Audience: 300,000 subscribers with a keen interest in tech gadgets. Affiliate partner: an online tech retailer. Commission rate: 5% on each sale made through affiliate links. Video performance: total views: 200,000 in the first month. Click-through rate: center, 2%, typical for engaging content. Conversion rate: 1.5%, average for tech products. Product and commission. Smartphone price: $1,000. Commission per sale: $50. Alex earns a total of $3,000 from affiliate sales of the smartphone featured in the unboxing video. Key takeaways. Engaging content. The success hinges on Alex's ability to create engaging, informative content that drives viewer interest. Audience relevance. The product's relevance to Alex's tech-savvy audience is crucial for higher center and conversion rates. Continuous earnings. The video can continue to generate earnings as long as it keeps getting views and the product remains available. This example illustrates how effectively unboxing videos can be used in affiliate marketing, with the potential to generate significant revenue through well-placed affiliate links and engaging content that resonates with the target audience. For more information on this and related subjects, check out our blog. Don't miss out. Take the free course and create a passive income stream today. And join our Facebook group. It's a community of like-minded people elevating their personal finances where you can get practical advice, tips, and strategies. The links are down below in the description.